and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this brown eyeshadow look that I'm wearing right now. This is my go-to smoky eye. I always do brown because it's neutral, it goes with everything. The thing that I love most about this look is I love it every time I do it. It's fairly easy to execute, not a lot of steps are involved, not a lot of eyeshadows are involved, and not a lot of brushes are involved. So if you want to see how I got this, keep watching. For this entire eye look, I'm only using one palette, the Morphe 35R. You can use whatever brown eyeshadows that are available to you. I'm applying the lightest shade all over the crease. It doesn't look like much now, but as I go in with the darker shades, this will make it easier to blend upward, reducing the look of harsh lines. So the first brown shade you start off with, you want to go in lightly and get it evenly dispersed on the crease, so that way you can slowly build up the intensity. Applying the deeper colors in patting motions and then blending with a separate brush will make it easier for you to control the depth of the color. If you don't have a separate brush, don't worry, you can just tap 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 until most of the product is off of the brush and then use that same brush to just slowly buff it inward, like I'm doing now. I'm just repeating the same steps, but I'm using a smaller buffing brush just so I can be more precise where I want the darker colors, and I'm just going to buff it out again with a different brush. So here I'm taking the original brush that I went in and the first color, and I'm just buffing all over the crease, below it and slightly above it to bring the pigment up even higher. If you like the way it looks subtle, you can stop. If not, keep repeating these steps until you reach your desired smokiness. This step is optional. I'm just going in with the cream brown liner. I'm just doing this to deepen up my lash line before I go in with my lashes because they are going to be really dramatic today. You can skip this step if you don't want to. After I apply the gel liner, I just add a little bit of darkest brown eyeshadow, tap it over top to make sure that it doesn't transfer. I'll insert a clip of the lashes that I'm wearing in the name. I'm just going to go in with a pencil brush and a fluffy brush and do all the same colors that I have on my lids, on my lower lash line. And then after that, I'll add some black liner inside my waterline of my lower lashes just to deepen up before I go in with some mascara. I'm also tapping a little bit of the brown eyeshadow on top of that too. So this is another step that is optional. I just do it because I have runny eyes, like they get really watery when I put anything in my lash line. So this just helps it stay in place so it doesn't move around. this with a bright lip like I'm wearing right now, or you can go with something totally neutral. Even just gloss looks great with this eyeshadow look. And it doesn't even matter what your outfit looks like because brown goes with everything. This tutorial is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. Tune in next week for another video.